This real life story will show you the transformative power of positive thinking. Morris Gottman, known as Miracle Man, is an extraordinary example how positive mindset can help you overcome from the challenging part of your life. In 1981, Morris Gottman, a successful businessman and a pilot, experienced a catastrophic plane crash. This crash damaged his spinal cord, paralyzing him from neck down. Even the best of the best doctors have the same prediction. Morris would never walk, never talk, not even breathe on his own again. Medical science had no treatment for his condition. But Morris refused to accept his fate. He decided to use power of positive thinking to reclaim his life. While lying on ventilator, he practiced deep breathing to calm his mind. He focused only on the positive thoughts of his recovery. He visualized himself walking out of hospital like a healthy man. He noticed and appreciated the small wins of his recovery. Even a twitch in his finger or flicker feeling in his leg, he showed the heartfelt gratitude to his body for the small recoveries. Above all, even in these difficult circumstances when nobody believed, he believed himself to recover from this condition. Against all odds, Morrison began to improve. Each day, his determination grew stronger. He gradually regained his ability to breathe without a respirator, and slowly he started to speak and move his body. After months of relentless efforts and mental training, Morris achieved the impossible. He walked out of the hospital on his own feet. Doctors were in shock because every piece of medical data said that he would never be able to recover. His recovery was nothing short of a miracle. That's why he got his name, the Miracle Man. Morris Gottman's journey from ventilator to a healthy man is a powerful reminder of the incredible power of positive mindset. It's not just about recovery, but the limitless potential of human spirit. If you are feeling stuck in life or drowning in the endless loop of negative thinking, here are some powerful techniques to cultivate positive mindset and transform your life. Think your life as if you are creating a beautiful painting. And the first thing you need is a blank canvas. So clear the canvas of your mind through deep breathing and meditation. Another way to get out of your head is start moving. Exercise or any sort of physical activity can break the loop of negative thinking immediately. Now you have your canvas ready, start putting together the colors of your thought. And the mantra here is write, not think. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, take 10 minutes out and write down your thoughts. You will find out your life is not as scary or challenging as you felt. The canvas of your mind will create whichever picture you tell him. Practicing growth mindset is reframing your story. See challenges as opportunity or setbacks as learning. Every artist needs a great inspiration to start painting. So find things which you love. Try a new hobby, play with pet, go out in nature, or help someone in need. This will shift your mindset to the bright side and you will start feeling the inspiration of positive vibes in you. Like a magnifying lens, everything you focus on will grow. So instead of worrying, put your energy to find solutions. Create a success plan, visualize your success, and celebrate every small win. Positive affirmations are the best way to cultivate that self-belief you are looking for. With this scientific techniques in your hand, you will paint a beautiful positive picture of your life. Imagine, believe, and create a positive life.